protection of intellectual properties in Adobe Reader, with IT Vision Enterprise Vision Protector software. How the files are protected. These are the conditions under which a protected PDF file can be accessed by the end user of the files. The protected PDF files can only be accessed by the end user of the files through Vision Protector for the protection of Adobe PDF software. This means the software has to be installed on the PC of the end user of the files. To access the software, the end user should have a unique password and unique activation key assigned to the PC. These conditions are the same for protected PowerPoint, Word, and Excel files. With the Vision Protector software for PDF already installed on the end-user PC, the end-user runs a key generator accompanying the software package on his PC to generate a unique key. The key is sent to the author of the PDF files. The author decodes the key into a unique password to access the software, and a unique activation key and sent to the end user. With this, the end user will access the software as follows. 1. Run the software Vision Protector for the protection of PDF. On first use of the software, it will be necessary to click the button labeled Before Starting for information on the software. The pop-up gives the following information. The software is designed for English language versions of following Adobe Readers: Adobe Reader 9, Adobe Reader 10, Adobe Reader 11, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Please install one of the above readers in the default directory. You will not be able to access the required documents. 1. Without the English version of the Adobe Reader. 2. Without the unique password to access software. 3. Without the correct activation key. The software is meant to read the accompanying PDF document only. Attempting to print, duplicate, export etc. may result in an error message which may close the software abruptly. 2. Close the pop-up. 3. Copy and paste the password and activation key into their appropriate text boxes. 4. Save the password and click the OK button. From this interface, it can be seen that the Vision Protector software for Adobe Reader can protect up to 10 PDF files, as can be seen by the 10 option buttons labeled Book 1 to Book 10. The option button Book 1 corresponds to Basic Education Certificate Examination BCE, Mathematics, Paper 2, 2016, is selected. The button, Select a Book and click this button, is clicked. After waiting for a while, the button, Access Book 1 button, is clicked. The file corresponding to Book 1 opens. The file is then closed. The Return to Books button is then clicked. In like manner, the PDF file, Basic Education Certificate Examination BCE, Mathematics, Paper 2, 2018, corresponding to the option button Book 3 is opened. It is not possible to screen print the PDF file. Print the PDF file using the Ctrl+P command, or through the print menu. The end user on attempting to print the PDF file through the print menu, will observe that the print menu has been dimmed. On clicking the Save As menu, the Save As dialog box opens and closes immediately. It is not also possible to save as other, or share file using Send Now Online, or Send File, menus as can be seen. The PDF file is then closed. On clicking the Quit Software Restore PC to his original mode button, the software is terminated. End of tutorial for protection of PDF files with Vision Protector software. Thanks for watching this video.